Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Pure Shade. If you're new or just stopping by, I'm Shay, a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So this week, I'd like to show you guys how to make the most out of a farmer's market visit. So at this particular farmer's market, you must get a cart before entering. Make sure you pick the correct time because it can get busy. Before arriving, make sure you make a list. Browse through the variety of options, freshly picked vegetables and fruits, various options for alternative milk and juice, freshly made bread, and off we go to the next location. Here we are at Sprouts with a variety of vitamins, essential oils, soaps and hand sanitizers, hair care products, fresh fruit and vegetables, nuts, and a variety of protein powders. And don't forget your water. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below any farmer's market that you guys visit. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.